By changing the bevel cuts on the top and bottom of your crown molding, you can hang your crown molding off the ceiling at different angles. This can dramatically change the look and feel of your crown molding. The three common angles for hanging crown molding are 38 degrees, 45 degrees, and 52 degrees. Here we are going to show you, by using the crown molding angle router bit, how easy it is to create either that 38 degree or 52 degree angle you desire for hanging your crown molding. This diagram shows you how the router bit is designed with a 38 degree and 52 degree angle, as well as a ball bearing guide for easy fence setup. These sample cuts show you the dramatic difference that cutting the different bevel angles can have when hanging your crown molding. And it's really as easy as knowing what side of your crown molding to run face up and what side to run face down. This is why after we cut the face of the molding, we mark on the ends which side will be mounted to the ceiling and which side will be mounted to the wall. We are using pre-cut pieces of molding to make it easier for demonstration purposes. The first cut we are going to show you how to make will be for the 38 degree angle. Once you set the router bit in your router table, use a straight edge guide to set the fence to your ball bearing. This will ensure a perfect depth of cut. You can set the height of the router bit so the deepest cutting point is centered on your stock, or you can adjust it up or down from there depending on the look you want. Because part of this bit does cut on the face of your stock, you may want more or less cut on the face depending on what you like. When cutting the 38 degree angle, the important thing to remember is the wall side of the molding gets cut face down and the ceiling side of the molding gets cut face up. Now to cut the molding so that it hangs at a 52 degree angle. The important thing to remember here is the wall side of the molding gets cut face up this time, while the ceiling side of the molding gets cut face down. This is just the opposite as when we did the 38 degree angle. Here you can see we adjusted the height of the router bit again to control the amount of cut on the face of the molding. You may want to do this for each cut. The result from cutting these angles really does dramatically change the look of your crown molding and how it hangs. So depending on the height of your ceiling or the look you're going for, you may choose to cut your crown molding to hang at a 38 degree or a 52 degree angle, and this router bit will give you the option to do either. Visit MLCSwoodworking.com for great prices on all your woodworking needs, and remember, as always, free shipping in the contiguous USA.